What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Lithium LiFe battery in your Softail. I personally have already installed this lithium battery in one of my bikes, and I love it because not only is it lighter, it also lasts longer than a regular AGM lead acid battery. Before you install your new battery, you'll want to inspect it for any cracks or dents and make sure the terminals are free of any dirt, corrosion or oxidation. You'll also want to double check that the battery is fully charged. If there are any issues, be sure to address them before the install. First, you need to remove the original battery. Follow the manufacturer's instructions specific to your motorcycle. Just be aware that on this motorcycle, you will need to remove the negative battery cable before you can remove the battery housing. With the original out of the way, install the new battery onto the battery tray or box. Make sure that the battery cables can reach both terminals. Next, use the included fastening hardware to attach the positive battery cable to the positive battery terminal. Both the positive cable and terminal can be identified by the plus sign. Then, reinstall the battery housing before reconnecting the negative battery cable to the negative terminal. These both have a minus sign. Make sure that the battery cables are fastened securely without over-tightening. Once the housing and negative battery cables are secured, make sure to reconnect the wire harnesses to the outside of the battery housing. There you have it, your new Lithium LiFe battery is now installed. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.